In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant error code 185. Now this is a connection error code, so usually it's because of your connection. Now the first thing you want to try is search for connection, view network connections, this one. Open it up and find your internet. Try and right click disable and then right click enable and see if this helps. If that still doesn't work, double click, go to properties. In here, find version 4, double click, make sure both of these are on automatically. Okay and okay. And then once you've done that, what you should do is open up the CMD, right click and run as an administrator, ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type netsh space winsock space reset. Once you've done this, you want to come here and search for network reset now, and this will restart your PC. Now once you've done that, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, the last solution is to find your router inside of your house, unplug it for 1 or 2 minutes, plug it back in, and that might fix it. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.